Welcome back. Today, we're exploring Hoi An, Vietnam, a town that feels straight out of a storybook. From golden streets to glowing lanterns, Hoi An is pure magic. I'll guide you through the 11 best things to do here, from cultural gems to unforgettable street food. This isn't just a list, it's your adventure plan for making the most of every moment. Get ready for practical tips, hidden gems, and a journey that will have you booking your ticket by the end. Let's dive into the magic of Hoi An. First up, the heart of Hoi An, its ancient town. This is where the city's soul truly comes alive, and where centuries of history are woven into every street and building. As you approach, you'll notice the iconic yellow facades glowing in the sunlight, inviting you to step back in time. Walking these streets is like stepping into a living postcard, with canary yellow merchant houses and a gentle hum of bicycles. The air is filled with the scent of incense and fresh flowers, and the sound of laughter drifts from cozy cafes and bustling markets. Every turn reveals a new scene, locals chatting on doorsteps, children playing, and artisans at work. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a perfectly preserved trading port, blending Vietnamese, Chinese, and Japanese influences. The architecture tells stories of merchants and travelers from distant lands, and the iconic Japanese covered bridge stands as a symbol of Hoi An's multicultural past. Take a moment to admire the intricate details. Each building is a piece of living history. Buy a single entrance ticket for access to 5 heritage sites, old houses, assembly halls, and museums. This ticket is your passport to the town's most treasured landmarks, allowing you to explore at your own pace. Don't miss the chance to step inside these historic buildings and imagine life here centuries ago. Wander aimlessly, let curiosity guide you, and soak in the details. Wooden carvings, yin-yang tiles, and hidden courtyards. Peek through open doorways to discover tranquil gardens, and notice the delicate lanterns swaying gently in the breeze. Every detail, from the faded paint to the ornate doors, tells a story of craftsmanship and tradition. Visit early morning for peaceful streets and golden light, or late afternoon for a romantic, lantern-lit atmosphere. As dusk falls, the town transforms. Lanterns glow softly, casting a magical light over the ancient streets. It's a photographer's dream, and a moment you'll want to savor. Don't rush, getting lost is part of the experience. Allow yourself to wander without a map, discovering hidden gems and quiet corners that most visitors miss. The slower you go, the more you'll notice. The subtle beauty, the friendly faces, the sense of timelessness. The ancient town isn't just a place to see, it's a place to feel. Sit at a street-side cafe, sip a traditional Vietnamese coffee, and watch the world go by. Let the atmosphere wash over you, and you'll find yourself falling under Hoi An's spell. Every corner tells a story, and every step is a discovery. From the smallest alleyways to the grandest halls, there's a sense of wonder waiting around each bend. Take time to chat with locals, browse the artisan shops, and soak in the vibrant culture that makes Hoi An unique. This is the foundation of your Hoi An adventure. The ancient town is more than a destination. It's the starting point for unforgettable memories and new friendships. Let it set the tone for your journey. Take your time and let the town's magic unfold. There's no need to hurry. Hoi An rewards those who linger, who look a little closer, and who open their hearts to its gentle rhythm. It's a memory you'll carry long after you leave, an absolute must-do and the perfect beginning to your Hoi An story. Next, we arrive at the iconic Japanese covered bridge, undoubtedly the most recognizable symbol of Hoi An. This picturesque structure, with its curved roof and elegant wooden beams, has stood for centuries as a silent witness to the town's vibrant history and cultural fusion. Built in the 1590s by the Japanese community, the bridge was designed to connect the Japanese and Chinese quarters, fostering trade and friendship between the two cultures. Today, it stands as a testament to Hoi An's multicultural past, and is one of the few remaining structures that reflect the town's international heritage. As you walk across, take time to admire the beautifully preserved wooden architecture and the intricate carvings that adorn the bridge. Inside, you'll find a small temple dedicated to the weather god, where locals and visitors alike come to offer prayers for protection and good fortune. Don't miss the unique monkey and dog statues at either end of the bridge. According to legend, construction began in the year of the monkey and finished in the year of the dog, and these statues are said to guard the bridge and bring luck to those who cross it. Entry to the bridge is included with your ancient town ticket, so be sure to have it handy. This ticket not only grants you access to the bridge, but also supports the preservation of Hoi An's historic sites. For the most breathtaking experience, visit at sunrise or sunset. The soft golden light bathes the bridge in a magical glow, making it a favorite spot for photographers and anyone seeking a peaceful moment away from the crowds. Stand in the center of the bridge and gaze out over the tranquil Thuban River. Imagine the countless travelers, merchants, and locals who have crossed here over the centuries, each leaving their own mark on Hoi An's story. As night falls, the bridge is illuminated, casting shimmering reflections on the water below. The atmosphere becomes almost otherworldly, perfect for a quiet stroll or a moment of reflection. More than just a landmark, the Japanese-covered bridge is the spiritual heart of Hoi An, a place where history, culture, and community come together in perfect harmony. Hoi An's lanterns are everywhere, lighting up the town with color and charm. Go beyond buying one, join a lantern-making workshop and craft your own. Local artisans guide you through shaping bamboo frames and stretching vibrant silk. Choose your favorite colors and watch your lantern come to life. It's a hands-on way to connect with tradition and creativity. Most lanterns are collapsible, so you can easily take your handmade souvenir home. It's a unique, memorable experience you'll treasure. Bring a piece of Hoi An's light with you. Foodies, get ready. Hoi An's street food is legendary, and every corner of the old town is bursting with flavors waiting to be discovered. As the sun sets, the streets come alive with sizzling grills, fragrant broths, and the laughter of locals and travelers alike. The air is thick with the aroma of spices and fresh herbs, promising a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. Start your journey with Cao Lao, the town's signature noodle dish. Its chewy noodles are made with water from ancient wells, giving them a unique texture you won't find anywhere else. Topped with slices of savory pork, crunchy croutons, and a handful of fresh greens, every bite is a taste of Hoi An's history and culture. Next, grab a banh mi from a local vendor. This Vietnamese sandwich is a perfect blend of crispy baguette, savory meats, tangy pickles, and aromatic herbs. Each vendor has their own twist, so don't be afraid to try a few and find your favorite combination. For more local flavors, sample the delicate white rose dumplings, translucent parcels filled with seasoned shrimp and topped with crispy shallots. Or dig into Kamga, Hoi An's fragrant chicken rice, served with fresh herbs and a zesty dipping sauce that brings everything together. The best way to explore Hoi An's food scene? Simply wander through the lantern-lit streets, follow your nose, and grab a tiny plastic stool at any bustling stall. The more crowded, the better. It's a sure sign of something delicious. Don't worry if you don't know the names, just point, taste, and repeat. Every dish is affordable, so you can sample to your heart's content without breaking the bank. Let your curiosity guide you from one flavor to the next. From sizzling savory pancakes called banzio to colorful sweet soups known as che, every bite is an adventure for your senses. There's always something new to try, whether you crave something spicy, sweet, or utterly unique. The street food scene here is a must for any visitor, offering a true taste of Hoi An's vibrant culture and warm hospitality. It's where memories are made, one dish at a time. So dive in, be adventurous, and let your taste buds lead the way through this culinary wonderland. You'll remember these flavors, and the joy of sharing them, long after your trip ends. Don't leave Hoi An without treating yourself to a street food feast. Your taste adventure awaits. Escape the town and cycle into Hoi An's peaceful countryside. Rent a bike and ride past emerald rice paddies, water buffalo, and waving kids. The flat paths wind through villages and along tranquil canals. Visit Turaik, a vegetable village, to see traditional farming and taste fresh herbs. Stop for coconut water, chat with locals, and soak in the scenery. No set route, just pedal, explore, and enjoy the journey. Cycling offers a glimpse of authentic rural life. It's a refreshing contrast to the bustling town. Pure, simple adventure. Ready to unwind? Head to Bang Beach, just a short ride from town. Soft sand, clear water, and a laid-back vibe await. Grab a drink or meal at a beachfront cafe and use their loungers for free. Swim, nap, or feast on fresh seafood with your toes in the sand. Watch fishermen in round boats and enjoy live music as the sun sets. It's the perfect spot to recharge, and Bang offers natural beauty and relaxed beach culture. Don't miss a day by the sea. Want to bring Hoi An's flavors home? Take a Vietnamese cooking class. Start with a market tour to pick fresh ingredients, then head to a riverside kitchen. Learn to make classics like spring rolls, banzio, and Cao Lao. Chefs break down techniques and flavor balance, making it easy and fun. Enjoy the meal you've cooked and take home recipes to recreate the magic. It's a hands-on, delicious souvenir. Cooking classes are a highlight for food lovers. Taste, learn and savor every moment. When night falls, Hoi An's night market comes alive. Cross the lantern-lit bridge to Hanoi Islet and enter a world of color and energy. Stalls overflow with silk lanterns, souvenirs and local crafts. Practice your bargaining skills and find unique gifts. The real star? The street food. Grilled skewers, banana pancakes, and Vietnamese pizza. Come hungry and sample a bit of everything. The market is buzzing, photogenic, and full of life. It's the perfect place for an evening stroll. Soak up the atmosphere and make unforgettable memories. The night market is pure Hoi An magic. The Thuban River is Hoi An's lifeblood. Take a boat cruise to see the town from a new angle. Hire a local sampan for a peaceful ride, especially at sunset. Watch the ancient town glow in golden light and see daily life along the banks. Release a candle-lit lantern onto the water for a wish and a magical photo. The river cruise is romantic, serene, and deeply memorable. Support local boatwomen and enjoy a unique perspective. Sunset is the most magical time to go. Floating lanterns create a river of light. This is Hoi An at its most enchanting. Hoi An's temples and pagodas reveal its spiritual heart. Visit the Fujian Assembly Hall and Quan Kong Temple for stunning architecture and history. These are active places of worship. Dress modestly and be respectful. Each temple tells the story of the town's multicultural roots. Pause to reflect in the peaceful courtyards and admire intricate carvings. Your ancient town ticket covers entry to several sites. These sanctuaries offer a quiet escape from the crowds. Discover the layers of faith and tradition that shape Hoi An. Hoi An is famous for custom-tailored clothes. Don't miss the chance. Hundreds of shops offer everything from silk dresses to sharp suits. Bring your own design or get inspired by their catalogs. Choose your fabric, get measured, and return for fittings. Your garment is ready in days. The process is fast, affordable, and fun. Wearing something made just for you is a special feeling. It's a practical, stylish souvenir. Treat yourself to a tailor-made memory. That's it. The 11 best things to do in Hoi An, a place full of charm and wonder. From ancient streets to lantern-lit nights and mouth-watering food, this town is truly unforgettable and full of surprises. I hope you're inspired to experience Hoi An's magic for yourself and create your own amazing memories. Share what you're most excited to try in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures and travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels and see you soon.